English dictation 80 words per minute. Start. Sir, immediately after the introduction of the first train in India by the British in 1853, the work on the rail track from Chennai to Mangalore was started. The Britishers have introduced the first mail service in India on this route. Even since this line was laid, there has never been any development whatsoever in this sector from Mangalore to Shornur. Sir, the ongoing survey for the Tellicherry Mysore line is exceptionally significant from the point of view of overall development of Malabar. Almost a century ago, the South Indian Railway Company initiated the first survey on this route by the Britishers, but unfortunately, with the outbreak of the First World War, the Britishers abandoned the proposal midway. Thereafter, four surveys were conducted by the Britishers. All these surveys go to show that this route is going to be economically viable and strategically important, and also it is going to be one of the most rewarding line in the whole of South India. The Erstwhile Mysore state and the Madras president had strongly recommended this project. The former railway minister, late Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Babu Jagmohan Ram had visited Tallicherry and had addressed Mohammad rallies over there at that particular point of time. They had assured the people of Malabar area that if any new rail track is taken up by the central government for construction, this railway line would receive almost importance. Thereafter, Sri C.M. Punche had taken over as the railway minister. He had also categorically stated that this railway line would receive topmost priority, but nothing has been done so far. Sir, hundreds of tracks, lorries, and buses play on the road from Tellicherry to Karnataka, Delhi. There are a lot of places along this route which are important from the point of view of tourism, and there is a great potential for tourism in this part of Karnataka and Kerala.